Fitness is not something which you start. Fitness is something which has to become the way of life. Fitness is being with nature. Fitness is eating right. चलिए एंजॉयमेंट शुरू करते हैं। Only on Cook Smart with Sanjeev Kapoor on FoodFood.
कुक स्मार्ट शुक्रवार दोपहर 1 बजे और रात 9 बजे। Only on FoodFood. It's sizzling.